Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, CB and Ham Radio Depot. Today we are going to do a video on a Heathkit SB-201. So as you probably see, this one has 10 meters. And the 201 originally did not come out with 10 meters. That was during the FCC's big thing about amateur equipment being on 10 meters to discourage them from using them on 11 meters. But nevertheless, there was some people out there, and I did some research on this, and there's not any definitive kind of documentation about what happened here, but the one thing that I did through talking to a couple of people that used to work for Heathkit and seeing some little blurbs on the interweb, the dealers and distributors took the 201s and they did a 10 meter conversion on these. Now, as to how much truth there is to all this, I do not know, but we're going to say that's what happened because this one is definitely a 201 and it definitely has 10 meters in it. So anyway, we thought we'd go over it a little bit today. These are a great amplifier, and I'm sure that you all have seen or been around one, and they're a great little amplifier. You know, 500-600 watt amplifier. They just run all day long. They're just a great amplifier. This particular unit here, when I purchased it, it did not run. The only thing that was really right about it was the tubes were good, and it needed caps, and all the high voltage components had to be replaced. So we did that, and the meter did not read correctly for high voltage. Now you can see the high voltage is about 2300 volts or so, maybe a bump over. Before the high voltage didn't read right on the meter. I think it read 200 volts or something like that, which I knew was incorrect. The meter resistors were bad, had to change those. But now we got it pretty much straightened out. Oh yeah, the key line didn't work. It had some wiring issues on the 120 volts to the key line, and it was a problem. We got that corrected. So now she seems to be pretty good. As you see, it's clean and not a lot of damage. It's got your basic tune and load right here. Play tune and your load. Of course, these did not have a standby switch. There's been a lot of modifications I've seen done where they did. That particular part never did discourage me much from a Heathkit because I always use a foot switch, so don't really need it. But the basic thing here is load, tune, band switch. You've got your meter adjustments. You can put it on relative power, and you can adjust your sensitivity here, so you can see your power up here on your meter. I'll usually keep it on the grid. Try to keep it in this area here on the meter. Try not to damage the tubes, overdrive, or anything of that nature. The back side of this unit only has antenna, exciter and antenna, SO239s. It has an it does have ALC, external ALC, and it has a RCA jack marked antenna relay, which is where I've got my foot switch plugged into to key it. Other than that, it's basic. The top does lift off. Right now I've got them cinched down. The only thing you can see in the top is there's 2 circuit breakers right about here in the middle, 2 red buttons. If it does happen to trip, you just reset them. I've never had one where I had to do that, but it is real simple. You just take a screwdriver, look, and the lid comes up. So that's basically all there is to one of these amps. Let's do a little power output demonstration and see what we get. I loaded it 45 minutes ago on 20 meters. As you can see, it's on 20. Like I said, I got the foot switch, driving it with a little Yaesu 890 that I keep on the bench just for testing purposes and what such. So anyway, here we go. Let's see what we get here. Hello. 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 It's going over, it's doing about 6, maybe a little over 6 on sideband on 20 meters. Pretty good. That's healthy. I've tested this unit on all the bands. Of course, it only does about 350, 400 on 10. But all the other bands is over 500 watts out. Most of them PEP are over 6. So this unit works really well. Anyway, that's about it for this unit. As you can see, the unit's clean. Would make somebody a nice unit. Thanks for watching, and when you get an opportunity, come by and see us on our website at cbhamradiodepot. You'll see various equipment. We try to keep it updated and add new equipment daily if we can. Thank you.